In this video, we're going to talk about the easy money postcard system, the big ticket postcard system. Guys, it's absolutely been an incredible journey with this postcard. And I'm going to talk to you, go behind the scenes real quick, and we'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Make sure we like the video, guys. I really appreciate it. It will help rank this video higher. Are you subscribed to the channel? This channel about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. And we'll go from there, guys. And feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below in the video section. Hey folks, when you get an opportunity, you can scroll over to the YouTube channel, guys. My channel's about, again, ways to exponentially grow your income and to be excited, motivated in everything that we do. We've got some incredible programs that we're working with, the M80 and some of the other programs that they're just exploding. Today, I'm highlighting the big ticket postcard system. And guys, this thing is, I've been doing some YouTube shorts on it and doing different things with it. It has been an incredible journey. Things are heaping up, and why you should get involved with this thing, I'm going to tell you why, and why timing is of the essence. We're going into tax, as we're going through the tax season of the year, people are looking at ways to put money to work, and we've got a program that is proven to convert. Guys, these programs that are paying you $10 and anything less than $25, you got to really evaluate, is it worth joining? You need the secret to attaining wealth at home is a program that pays out big ticket commissions. That's how my life has changed. When I've got big ticket commissions, I mean, $500 up in your face right now, 500 up to 11,000. Now, again, if a program, I recommend folks not joining programs if you can't make $25 and up. $25 and up per sign up, 25. You have to evaluate it. You have to evaluate it. Is it really worth your time, putting time and effort into something that's not going to pay you $25 and above? Well, this thing here, guys, pays out $500 commissions. I am not going to go through all the mechanics of how this thing works, but it's incredible. I'm going to leave under the video, I'm going to leave a playlist. I have video after video after video of documented proof of what this program can do. View some of those videos, how it has been a blessing to me and my family, and it continues to explode. And basically, guys, you can mail this postcard, or you can just share this phone number. You will be assigned an ID number, and we close the sales on autopilot. And you can even put your phone number on the flyer, on the postcard. We can put your personal phone number somewhere on here if you so desire. But some people stay in the background. You'll assign an ID number, you get credit for the sale. You get 80%. The company gets 20% for closing the sales. We take care of all of the product fulfillment here at TNCL Marketing. We package all the product, send it to the people as an added value. We host this number. This number is hosted for the life of the program. And also, we offer postcards as the product. We offer leads as the product, the welcome kit, the marketing report, unlimited support for the life that they're in the program, and we host this line. So guys, we have value products and a service to back up what we're doing. And it's absolutely incredible. Pause the video, guys. Listen to this information. And I'm telling you, it's life-changing. I have been doing video after video because this postcard is definitely, it has taken off. It has always been a great program, and I could not be more excited about it. I'm going to bring you some proof videos this week on several programs, guys. And every video that I do, guys, I'm not going to do a proof video because sometimes it looks like it gets to be a little redundant. But I'm telling you, these things are exploding and people are joining left and right. And we want to invite you to come along. Check out the information in the pinned comment below, and we will go from there. Great things are happening. We're going to have an incredible year this year, and we're going to invite you to come partner alongside of us. Check out this postcard, guys. Take a good look at it. I believe it will be something everybody can do. And the YouTube shorts I've been doing, guys, I've been teasing about Forex and DeFi and different things. I like Forex trading. I do trade Forex. I trade binary options. I got some Bitcoin. I got some Ethereum. I trade those things. But guys, I'm looking at something that the average person, anybody can put a name label on a postcard and drop it in a mailbox, set and forget, and go about my day. I'm not worried about what Bitcoin's going to do tomorrow. I'm not worried about my favorite Forex trade, but just a set and forget autopilot income. It's incredible to me. Very excited, guys. Make sure we, again, like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out this next video, guys, that's recommended for you. It could give you 50 more years of good luck. You never know. Hey, guys, thanks for viewing. I'll see you on the road to success and on the next video.